In our last video, we talked about building your unique Lego house. We identified your core values and then created your specific goals to help envision what you truly want. If you haven't seen the last video, I would highly recommend checking it out as this is the crucial starting point for designing your life and builds upon today's discussion. Today, we're understanding your financial strategy, the approach you take to managing your money, and the tactics you'll use to execute that strategy. It's all about finding the right way to build your future, not someone else's. What is a financial strategy? In simple terms, it is your personal approach to managing the money coming in and going out, all designed to help you reach your unique goals. There is no single right strategy, just the one that works best for your values and your life. Think of it like having three key levers you can adjust. Everyone has these, and how you set them dictates the speed and shape of your financial journey. The first lever is your income. This is simply all the money flowing into your financial world from your job, a side hustle, or any other earnings. It's the total amount of resources you have to work with. Do you want to increase it? You might focus on career growth, learning new skills, or exploring additional income streams. The choice is yours based on your energy and your priorities. Next, we have your expenses. This is where your money flows out. These are all your costs of living, from essentials like housing and food to discretionary spending on things you enjoy. This lever is crucial for aligning your spending with your values. It's not about cutting every single cost unless that truly aligns with your goals. It's about being aware of where your money goes. Are you spending on the things that truly bring you value, or are there areas where money is just leaking away without purpose? Understanding this allows you to make conscious decisions about how you choose to spend or not to spend. Finally and critically, we have your savings and investment lever. This is a portion of your income that you consciously choose to set aside before you spend it all, so it can grow for your future. This lever is about future potential. It dictates how quickly you achieve these long-term goals like early retirement or buying a home. The higher you set this lever, the faster your money can work for you through investing. But remember, it's a balance. Setting it higher may mean less to spend today. The key is to find the balance that feels right for your life and your goals. The real power of understanding these three levers, income, expenses, and saving, is that you get to choose how to set them. There is no one perfect setting that applies to everyone. Your strategy is unique to your values and goals. You can afford anything you want, but you can't buy the world. If a specific lifestyle today is important, you might adjust your income and spending to accommodate that, perhaps accepting a slightly lower build for your future goal. If a future goal like early retirement is your top priority, you might choose to prioritize your saving and investing much higher. Let's look at some common scenarios. Perhaps a high-end car has always been a dream, a true passion. You can absolutely afford that, but it means acknowledging how that decision might adjust your expenses lever. It could mean that your savings and investments need to be set a little lower, potentially extending the timeline for a goal like early retirement. Or if you're determined to hit that retirement goal with the dream car, then your income lever might need a significant boost through your career advancement or a new business adventure. Conversely, maybe you're focused on rapid wealth accumulation. You might choose to aggressively increase your income through overtime or side hustles and intentionally reduce your expenses in areas you don't value as much, like eating out less. This allows you to set your savings and investment incredibly high, significantly accelerating your path to financial freedom or a house deposit. This is not about what anyone else tells you is right. This is about your income and your spending. It's about looking after your goals and your values and adjusting those three levers to get you there in a way that truly brings you joy and aligns with your life. As long as you're not being absolutely reckless with your money, your lifestyle can absolutely be the right one for you. Once you have your strategy, which is the plan to adjust your levers, you need the tactics. These are the specific financial tools or actions you use to execute that strategy. Think of them as different types of tools in a toolbox. For example, if your strategy includes increasing your income lever, a tactic might be to negotiate a raise or start a small side hustle selling handmade items online. If your strategy for expenses is about understanding your outflows, a tactic could be to track every pound spent for 1 month or automate your bill payments. If your strategy is to prioritize saving and investing, your tactics involve deciding, do I use the saved funds in premium bonds or a cash ISA, or do I put them into investment products like stocks or ETFs? Or maybe there's a mixture of both. There are many different tactics, and the best ones for you will always depend on your specific goals, your comfort level, and what feels right for your building process. Just as I did with the values and goals, I'm going to show you my strategy and tactics. Remember, this is specific to me and is a way to show you how these concepts come together. The strategies and tactics we discussed today are most impactful once you have a solid financial foundation. This typically includes a budget, an emergency fund, and managing high interest debt. We'll be creating dedicated videos in the future to walk through those essential first steps if you're not there yet.